What's going on, guys? No Job Rob here. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, just wanted to share with you a 4-step process that you can use to begin making money online. This is perfect for newbies who don't currently have a consistent stream of income but are serious in investing in themselves and their online business, or anyone who's looking to add on an additional income stream. This method functions as a vehicle for easy one-up, so if you're not familiar with what that is, I'll link below to a video I did going into it in more detail. But basically what you need to know is it's a suite of information products that you have the ability to resell for a 100% commission. Basically, you buy into the business education platform and then you get the resale rights, and you can earn commissions from $25 all the way up to $2,000 paid instantly. So that's pretty much what you need to know in order to use the system. So even though the Easy One Up compensation plan is extremely powerful, it's a bit lacking in terms of what they give you to promote it. So it's a situation where, if you're not a skilled or experienced marketer, then you may struggle a bit to actually get the traffic that you want into your Easy One Up account. So that's where the ability to leverage proven systems and the results of people who are on the leaderboards for Easy One Up comes into play. So what I'm about to show you is a done-for-you funnel that you can actually set up within 30 minutes and potentially begin earning commissions into your Easy One Up within the next few days. So I'm going to give you an overview of how it actually works. So on the screen here, you see Michael Mansell. He's actually on the leaderboards pretty consistently for Easy One Up in terms of the most commissions generated. And as you can see here, he's introducing you to how he did $8,500 in sales within 2 weeks using the same method that we're going to talk about in this video. Now, if at any time you guys feel that you want to go ahead and check this out, I will put a link in the description, right in the first link, to what's called Amplified Profits, which is the name of the system here. And you can go ahead and set up a free account and again be well on your way towards potentially having those commissions coming in. So the first step is you're going to want to go ahead and sign up for Easy One Up. So if that wasn't clear, it is a pay-to-play type of situation. So again, this is for people who are serious about getting an online business going. They want to leverage the power of the system, so they're ready to invest into themselves and their future. Again, there are packages as low as $25 and as high as $2,000. Really, as a rule of thumb, you want to try to come in at the highest level that you can. That way you unlock all the commissions all the way up to that level. So if someone buys at a higher level than you, you actually won't get access to that commission. So that's why you want to try to avoid missing out on those. And additionally, you'll have access to not only all the commissions below the level you come in at, but all the products as well, all the training and resources inside of Easy One Up. Now, everyone's situation is different. This isn't going to make sense for everybody, but again, if you're serious enough to come in at the $500 level or higher, it's something that I would actually highly recommend, because if you look down here in the bonuses, you're actually going to get free traffic sent from Michael's personal traffic sources to your individual link for Easy One Up. And my best recommendation, which this is what I personally did, is I've up to tripled that amount of traffic that I'm getting into my funnel by coming in at the $1,000 level. So just something to keep in mind to maximize your results with this. But again, just keeping it as simple as we can. First step, again, just sign up for Easy One Up at the level you're comfortable at. And secondly, you're going to sign up for a program called Royalty. Now, this costs $87. What it is a funnel builder, and it has a host of other features that typically you would have to pay exorbitant amounts of money if you were to get these all in different programs. I'm talking about an email autoresponder, a membership site hosting platform, and they actually have some artificial intelligence features that will create content for you, so you don't have to actually write any of your own social media posts or anything like that. So I was a bit skeptical of this because I actually had never heard of it prior to getting into this, and I had used programs like ClickFunnels and Builderall. So it's along the same lines as those programs, but it seems to work just as well for a fraction of the price when you consider all the extra things that you're getting. The reason why you're going to sign up for this is because all of the done-for-you pages and emails that you're going to be leveraging in the system are hosted in the Royalty platform. So it's just you go ahead and pay the monthly membership fee, so $87 up front, and then you get everything done for you, saving you hours and potentially a lot of money, trying to test out and come up with your own materials. So continuing on, I would just consider step 3 being actually setting this up. Again, it shouldn't really take you any more than about half an hour, so it's extremely reasonable. Basically, you just import the done for you pages that you're going to be sending traffic to, put in your own affiliate links, and you're going to pretty much do the same thing with the emails. Just put your own affiliate links into the emails that Michael has already written for you. So then it becomes just as simple as getting traffic to your capture page for the funnel that's already done for you, and you'll have your own leads, your own email list building up, and all the follow-up automated for you happening in the background. The training videos inside of the members area are extremely straightforward and simple. Michael explains things in detail so that even someone who's not technologically inclined can understand. Now again, say you come in at the $1,000 level in Easy 1UP, so you've unlocked instant $1,000 commissions for every sale. You're looking at an average of close to 10 extra clicks of Michael's targeted traffic without having to do anything. So, you know, roughly 300 clicks or so a month, maybe more, maybe less. But not only is that extremely powerful, but because it's not going to occupy any more of your time, now you have an opportunity to, work on free and paid traffic strategies to get even more traction into your done for you funnel, which are actually outlined inside of the members area as well. So really that's just step 4. If you choose to come in at one of these levels here, then you just go ahead and let Michael know, and his team will add you to his personalized traffic rotator so you can get access to his traffic. Alright guys, so just to recap everything real quick, so when you click the first link right below this video in the description, you're going to get access to the funnel. So that'll, like I said, capture all your leads for your Easy 1UP and your royalty sales and follow up with them on autopilot. And I actually almost forgot to mention that you do earn commissions for people coming into your funnel and signing up to royalty. So if you get 3 people to sign up, then that will actually cover your membership to that, and that will be free. So you don't even have to be too concerned with paying the $87 on that. So it's about a 30% commission, so you'll have an income stream coming in not only from the Easy 1UP, but also from the royalty, like it says down here. Like I said, you're going to get a highly optimized email follow-up sequence written by a professional marketer. It seems like he's always making improvements and adding to it, so that's definitely a huge asset to have. Again, you'll be entered into the traffic rotator if you get Easy 1UP at the $500 level or higher. You'll also be added to the private Facebook group, so you can get any support, get your questions answered. Personally, I'm a part of the AmpStars private group, in which Michael does live daily training, so another great asset to have if you're looking to get the most out of this. And he advertises that it's very possible that within 14 days you will have a profitable online business by leveraging this system. So again guys, highly encourage you to go ahead and click that link right below the video and get started. Easy 1UP is a great program. There's a reason why many people have been able to quit their jobs, earn full-time incomes, and more leveraging their system. I've personally made multiple sales with it, and with Michael's expertise and his team and his support and his resources behind me, I'm really excited to see where this is going to go. So again, even if you're new or if you're already in Easy 1UP, you can still leverage this system. Just go ahead and click the link below, and I'll look forward to having you inside and helping you any way I can. So if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Other than that, this has been No Job Rob. Thank you guys for checking out the video today. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you very soon on the channel. Thanks for watching, and have a great day, everybody.